Today I'm making a different type of video, and this may seem random, but trust me, it's relevant to minimalism, living below your means, being purposeful about what you buy, the little possessions that you do own add immense value to your life. And short story, this Bebird pen adds immense value to my life. Being able to clean your earwax basically has a little camera you connect to your phone, and you can clean your earwax. No more Q-tips. It is such a relief, and it's also so cheap. This model was only $35, and it's just crazy that more people don't know about this, because long story, this is what happened. So my girlfriend, she wears earplugs, and so she has more buildup in her ears. She was in immense pain. She went to her doctors. They did all these weird things to her ear, and then they prescribed this thing that actually was hurting her ear, and she was in so much pain, and I was so sad. So I looked up online, like, what is the best way to remove earwax, and I found that there's these earwax removal pens. So I looked it up online. I found the closest Walmart. I went there. I bought it. I gave it to her in the car, and she was able to get instant relief just going into your ear. It was so satisfying to watch her go in and clean it all out. Being able to get a deep cleaning of your ears anytime with a device this cheap is literally life-saving, and it shows the incompetency of our medical system that a doctor prescribed her something that would actually hurt her, putting a chemical in her ear. I'm not a doctor, this isn't medical advice, but why do doctors not know about this? This is so simple, so non-invasive, so cheap, and it can really make a difference to people who struggle with more earwax. So this video isn't an in-depth review. I'm just telling everyone that this is awesome, and if you struggle with earwax, you should definitely get this. And it's really easy. So you basically turn it on, and then you download the Bebird app on your phone, and then you connect to the device's Wi-Fi. And so now it has a little camera there. So now we can see that I could just, oh, that's Kyle's ear. I know, pretty disgusting. My ears are actually pretty clean, but it like just being able to clean your ears and get a deep cleaning can bring so much relief, and it's so easy and it's so cheap. So I wasn't paid to make this video. I'm sure there's lots of alternatives, like there's so many of these on the market, but I'm saying getting a pen like this for anyone with earwax is something that will improve your life. I don't struggle with earwax, and I think it's fun to use, to go in there. It's so satisfying to clean out your ears. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully this can help bring you relief if you're struggling with this issue. Let me know if there's anything that has improved your life that is just so simple that people don't know about, because there's just so many devices like this that we don't know about that can just make our life easier. Thank you so much. God bless.